So in this video of linear functions, we will learn how to find the slope of the line from the given graph. So this graph is given. So from this we will be finding out the slope. So here is the first example. So the graph is given and we are supposed to find out the slope of the given line. So the concept here is that we mark 2 points on this line, and the point should be such whose coordinates we are able to read. So I'm marking the point 4, 1, and the other point we can see here. So this is the point which is 1, -1. So we mark them as A and B, and always from left point we have to first see, to reach this point, how much rise we have to do. So how much rise we are doing here? So it is 2 units. So 2 units. So we write, so this is the rise. So rise is 2 units. And how much is the run we are going over it? So run from this point, so it is 3 units. So run is 3 units. So rise is upward, so we take the point positive. Run is on the right side, so we take the sign positive. So the slope we write is rise over run. So it is 2 over 3. Example 2. Now again we are supposed to find the slope. So the line here is given. So again we highlight 2 points whose coordinates we are able to read properly. So this is the first point, and we take this one as the second point and mark them as any letters we can mark it with. So let us mark it with M and N. Now we have to see from the point M how much down we have to go to reach the point N. So the vertical we can see here, we are going 4 units down. So rise is -4. Why we take -4? Because we are going downward. And then from this point we go to the point N and we cover 2 units. So run is 2 and we take the sign positive because we are going towards right. So the slope we write again, so it is rise over run, so it is -4 over 2. So both are multiples of 2, so we can reduce it. So the result is -2 over 1, so which can just be written as -2. Now example 3. So again in this we are supposed to find the slope. So we highlight 2 points whose coordinates we are able to read. So I'm highlighting this point, so mark it as P. And the other point we can see here, it is Q. So this is Q point. So first, to reach from P to Q, we take 1 unit down. So rise is 1 unit down. So that is why we take a minus sign. Then we take run. So from the graph we can see from this point to the point Q, so we cover 4 units and it's towards right, so we take the positive sign. So the slope for this will be rise over run, so which is -1 over 4. Now example 4. So find the slope of this line again. So you can see now it's a vertical line. So now in this again we highlight 2 points. So let us say we highlight any 2 points. So these are the 2 points and we mark them as A and B. So in this, when we write the rise, so rise will be whether we go from A to B or B to A. So it's 2 units. So we write 2 units. If we take upward, so we take plus. And now the run. So when we have to see the run, so we don't have to take any horizontal movement from A to B or B to A. No horizontal units are covered. So we write the run as 0. So the slope here will be rise over run. So we write +2 over 0. So which is undefined. Even if we had taken it as -2, like if we had gone from A to B, so in that case if we take the slope rise as -2, so in this case the slope again would have been -2 over the run 0, which is again undefined. So now remember this concept that whenever there is a vertical line, so the slope is undefined, and this is the way we calculate it. Now example 5. So you have to again find the slope of the line. Now it's a horizontal line. So for the horizontal line, again we mark 2 points. So let us mark 2 points here. So it is first point we mark as A, and the other point let us take here B. Now the rise part first we take. So from A to B, if we observe, there is no rise because A and B are at the same distance from the x-axis. So no rise here. So rise is 0. And when we calculate the run, so if you calculate from A to B, so how many units did we cover here? So it is 5 units. So it's towards right. So we take plus 5. Even if we calculated the slope in this, so slope will be then equals to rise over run. So 0 over 5, which is equals to 0. So now remember that horizontal line always has the slope as 0. So try these questions and then check your answers. So some more questions are there. So try these one also, and the answers are given at the end. Thank you.